Hello, today we're going to learn how to insert a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with a new presentation, choose blank presentation. When I get here, I can change the layout to be more friendly for video. So here's the layout, and I'm going to choose this title only slide. It gives me a bunch of space for a video, and I can choose a title. So I think my video is going to be about how to make slime. So I type in my title, and I'm going to go ahead and change the color and the alignment and the font just to have something more interesting. Then I'm going to click out of that text box in the center of my slide, and from there I can go up to this tab and click Insert, and then I'm going to choose over here Media, then Video, and Online Video because we're going to YouTube. So while that loads, or after that loads, we're going to choose the YouTube choice here, and I'm just going to type in how to make slime. And it brings up a ton of options, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose this first one. And inserts, and there it is in the middle. And I can go ahead and head over to my PowerPoint presentation slideshow, which is down here, and then from there this will pop in and I can play it inside my presentation.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you two easy.
So that's how you insert a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.